Hi guys, this is Ed again. Today, I'm gonna talk about the states of matter. So what are the states of matter? You think it's three, but there's still more types of matter. We'll only talk about the three states of matter. The three states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. Solid doesn't fill the shape of the container. The particles are so compressed.
Hi kids, in every
Liquid.
video I am hiding an object. Have you been paying attention? What did
Yep.
I hide this time?
You know what?
Write your answers in
On
the
liquid,
comments.
what happened is these particles just separate just separated shortly or moderate, not too far, not too close. And the liquid fills the shape of a container, turning to gas. Gas is the only matter, or maybe there is still more matter that is not seen. Maybe gas is the only matter that is mostly partially seen or cannot be seen. And you know what, guys? You can feel it. The particles of gas are so separated too far. Okay, guys? But you know, guys, there is still a kind of matter called there are still objects that are non-Newtonian. Why? Wait, what are the examples of these non-Newtonian things? These things are quicksand. About quicksand. What is quicksand? Quicksand is just a sand that has two states of matter. Why is it called a non-Newtonian? That's only because it has two states of matter. But you know what? What happens is when you think it's water only because of mirage, but then try to dive. You feel it's solid. It makes you sink, but half the body. Yep, like half of your body will sink. Nothing can escape from quicksand. Light can still escape because they're so fast. Maybe. Okay, guys. Time for our bonus question from these two topics. What are the three states of matter? What is a non-Newtonian type of matter? What are some more states of matter you know? I'll tell you in the comments, okay? What is hail? Hail is an ice rain that rains like a nice light thing called hailstones. I'll tell you the conditions now for hail to form. So, for hail to form, first, it should have a thunderstorm cloud. Secondly, it should be below the freezing point of water. Thirdly, it should have a high water content. Fourthly, should be great on height. And fifthly, it should have updraft. So for hail to form, how about the hail formation, guys? I'll tell you now. For hail to form, about the hail formation, okay? The hail formation. Updrafts carry water droplets from the cloud. Then these subdrafts begin to take them up. First, the water droplet freezes into a tiny hailstone. Then, more water droplets get in contact to make heavy hailstones. Then, once the updrafts cannot hold it, it falls, causing hail. Hi guys, please subscribe to my channel, give your likes to us and comment to us. Thank you.